Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word flotillas. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The Navy deployed multiple flotillas of ships to patrol the region. Flotillas refers to groups of small naval vessels or boats organized together for a specific purpose, such as patrolling or military operations. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.